So, let me discuss to you about sheet piles and some notable construction of sheet piles around the world. So, first, let us define what are sheet piles. So, when we say sheet piles, these are sections of sheet materials with interlocking edges that are driven into the ground to provide earth retention and excavation support. Sheet piles are commonly made of steel but can also be formed of timber or reinforced concrete. So, these sheet piles are commonly used for first is retaining walls, land reclamation, underground structures such as car parks and basement. What are the uses of these sheet piles? So in the construction or in the world of construction, sheet piling is used to create a temporary and permanent walls. Sheet pilings is used to support excavation and retain soil. It creates a barrier that keeps the soil from getting too close to the structure. So, sheet piles are made to connect with one another. They are put in the predetermined order along the excavation boundary. They form a wall for a permanent or temporary ground support when stuck together with anchors to offer extra lateral support. And of course, in installing a sheet piles, there are some advantages and disadvantages for it. First, let me give you the advantages of sheet piling. So, advantages of sheet pilings includes it is light in weight, making it easy to lift and handle. It is also recyclable and reusable. The pile length and design are easily adaptable, and the joints are designed to withstand the high pressure required to drive them into place. It also requires only a little maintenance above and underwater. So, here are the disadvantages of sheet piling. First is, if the soil is rocky or has a large boulders, it becomes difficult to install sheets into it. And then, lastly, most of the sheets are used as temporary structure. After the project is completed, the sheets are removed, which can be costly. So, there are many types of sheet piles, and let me give you some notable installation or construction of some sheet piles that became famous or known in their places. So first notable construction of sheet piles is the Z sheet piles, which is constructed at Chevron Global Lubricants Port Arthur TX, and the other one is Burns Harbor, Port of Indiana. So, these sheet piles are flexibly designed to have a high section modulus and mass ratio. It has a higher moment of inertia, which increases the stiffness of the sheet pile's wall and reduces displacement and deformation. Large width and effectively save the time of hoisting and piling. As the weight of the section increases, the number of shrinkage of the sheet pile wall is reduced, so its water-stopping performance is directly improved. Can be thickened and its severely corroded parts, so its corrosion resistance is more excellent. So, here are the Z-file profile. Next is the flat web sheet piles. Flat sheets are typically used for circular cellular structure design. This innovative mass gravity system transfers Hooke's stress in the flat sheets, which transfer the load uniformly into the interlock. So, what is this interlock? The interlock is a three-point contact connection that has a long proven history and has provided superior pull strength to withstand the large forces associated with high retaining structure in both land and deep water. So, an example of flat web sheet piles is in Panama, the Panama Canal expansion, and the IHNC at Seabrook, New Orleans at LA. Another one is the Combine Wall. We have three examples, which is the Herbert Hoover Dam, Martin and Palm Beach counties, Freeport Water Authority, Sacramento CE, and the Cabrillo Way Marina at San Pedro.